No.
No, I've read it before. All right, so you have a problem here, and they want us to convert this quadratic formula into vertex form. So, but it's not arranged. That's the tricky part. That's the hard part about it. We need to arrange them into this form: y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So I need to move y left side and the rest on the right side. So to do that, let's make this like that. So I'm going to add y, and I'm going to subtract these. I'm going to, for Algebra 2 student, this shouldn't be hard. So subtracting these two from both sides. Negative 162x minus 731, right? So this cancels. On the left side, I have y equal to this cancels. I'm going to rearrange them. Negative 9 x squared. I'm going to put in highest order to the smallest order. Minus 162x minus 731. So to do this, I have big numbers here. And then, right, so let me check. I have really big numbers. And then that makes it, it's gonna make it fractions. It's gonna make it ugly, but still doable, doesn't matter. So what we do is, we're gonna say, let's get rid of this negative first of all. So I have this y equal to, I'm gonna factor the negative. If I can factor 9, I'm gonna factor 9. But anyway, I have to factor it, even though it is not factorable. I was checking to see if these are factorable. This is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule by 9 is adding the digits 2 and 6 and 1 adds up to 9.
Now, can't you do that thing where you divide?
So 162, it's divisible by 9 because if you add them, you get 9. 9 is, therefore it is. But this one isn't. If you add them, you get 11. 11 is not divisible by 9. Anyway, I'm just going to divide it. I'm going to factor negative 9. See, this is what I'm going to have. X squared. This divided by 9 is negative x squared. This divided by 9, negative 9 is going to be 100. So it's going to be positive 162 over 9. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to divide and see what it is later on the next line. And this is going to be negative divided by negative is positive 731 over 9. So, oh, there's x here. I missed it, so I'm going to add it. Now, what is 162 divided by 9? We know this is divisible by 9. 1 times 9 is 9, remainder 7. 2 goes down, so 8 times 9 is, oh, this is 2. 8 times 9 is 72. So 0, that's good. So this is 18. So I have y equal to negative 9, x squared plus 18x plus 731 over 9. Why I do that, I leave some space here because I want to add and subtract a number there so that I can create a perfect squared form. Now, I need to figure out what these numbers are to add and subtract over here. To do that, this is the rule. You're going to pick this number, 18, divided by 2. So first thing is divide by 2. Divide by 2. I'm going to get 9. Second rule is square it. It's going to be 81. And then third rule is add and subtract. You got it? So I'm going to repeat. You get this number, divide by 2.
Then you
You get
square it.
then square, then add and subtract. So if you add and subtract 81, we're gonna do it here. Add 81 and subtract 81. Why I did that? Because now let me erase this. Okay, it's like that. So why I did that? Because these three becomes, it's a perfect square form. It can be factored into perfect square form. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of x squared is x. The sign is positive, so it's plus. That's x plus 9 squared. See, x times x, get x squared. 9 times 9, you get 81. 9 times x times 2, you get 18x. It's foiling, faster, more advanced way of foiling, basically. So these three converge into perfect square form. Only these two left, which we're going to add them, and then we're done. So let's add this on the side. Negative 81 plus 731 over 9, right? Common denominator is what? 9. So this times 9, this times 9. If I multiply that by 9, it's going to be 1 times 9, 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So it's going to be negative 729 over 9 plus 731 over 9. That's nice. It's pretty close. They're different sign, addition and subtraction, so we need to subtract. If we subtract, we get 2 over 9, which is positive 2 over 9. We're done. And then there was something left that we didn't talk about. Now we need to, I didn't move it on. I have to move this negative 9, which comes here. I have this negative 9 that I factored earlier. Now I need to distribute that inside here and here. So y is equal to negative 9 times x plus 9 squared, and negative 9 times 2 9s is going to be negative 2, because 9 and 9 simplifies. There's negative times positive is going to be negative. So negative 2. That's the factored form. A times x minus h squared plus k. Done.